The Healthy Lifestyles campaign is in full swing as public health officials encourage locals to create menus with the concept that fresh is best and use of local produce. A healthy food competition was held last Friday with an open challenge to the public to devise recipes with a focus on use of local produce. This initiative is supported by SPC and the Niue Health Department.
People are buying into the fact that local food is best, and that there's a lot of creativity in people producing the food. So I think there's overwhelming support, and we're very grateful. It's part of our NCD plan, getting the message out there that eating local is healthy.
What other ways is the department looking at trying to encourage people to not only eat healthy but also lead healthier lifestyles?
It's part of our whole non-communicable disease plan, which is about sort of eating healthy, being physically active, as well as sort of reducing the use of things like alcohol and tobacco. So that's part of the overall plan. This part today was mainly focused on food and healthy foods, and also looking at stuff that can be local dishes instead of imported dishes and imported foods. So yes, there's been a good response, and I think it does take a bit of time to get and prepare local foods, but also sometimes imported foods can be very expensive too, so you have to weigh up the time versus the cost.
Judges had the tough task of selecting the healthiest meals set out in the 3 categories, with the focus on variety, presentation, adaptability, tasting, and other criteria. Breakfast menu category: first Salamina Langiono, second Lofa Rex, and third Lilibeka Liumahitau. Lunch: Harriet Sonetama, second Malama Falipeo, and third Lilibeka Liumahitau. Dinner recipes taken up by Pauline Rex, second Fofo Talangi, and third Gina Tukiuha. These recipes will be produced into a recipe book and calendar with the hope that it will encourage more healthier eating habits. Non-communicable diseases such as diabetes and high blood pressure are attributed to a number of factors such as poor diet, lack of physical activity, and lifestyle choices.